Hey there, I'm Jared with the Annuity Expert. Today, we're going over a common question we get. What is the minimum amount to retire at 65? If you're wondering how to ensure a comfortable retirement, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the essential steps to figure out how much you'll need to retire at 65. The first step to understanding your retirement needs is to calculate about 70% of your current household income. Why 70%? It's a general guideline for the income most people find necessary to maintain their standard of living in retirement. Here's how you do it. Take your combined household income, that's income from both you and your spouse or partner, and multiply it by 0.7. This figure represents the annual income you'd ideally have each year in retirement. For example, if you and your spouse make a combined $100,000 a year, you'll want to aim for $70,000 in retirement income to live comfortably. The next step is to estimate your Social Security benefits. Social Security can be a substantial part of your retirement income, so it's essential to know what to expect. If you're not sure how much you'll receive, you can go to the Social Security Administration's website to get an estimate. Just remember, your benefits depend on your earnings history and the age you start taking them. For this scenario, let's look at the estimate for taking Social Security at age 65. Now, let's take a look at any additional income streams. One effective way to ensure reliable income throughout retirement is by using an annuity. Visit our website to check out our annuity calculator. With this tool, you can get a personalized calculation of how much income your current savings and retirement accounts might generate over your lifetime. It's a great way to get a realistic picture of what your savings could mean for your retirement. Once you've gathered your Social Security estimate and your annuity income calculation, it's time to add them up. Combine these sources to see if they meet that 70% of your current household income target. If the total meets or exceeds that amount, congratulations. You might be on track to retire comfortably at age 65. If not, don't worry. There are ways to adjust, which brings us to our next point. For some people, it can make a big difference to delay retirement by a couple of years until age 67, which is the full retirement age for most people. To compare, repeat the same process for age 67. This means calculating your Social Security benefits and annuity income as if you were retiring then. Often delaying retirement even by a couple of years can significantly increase your monthly income. This simple comparison will give you a sense of whether waiting until 67 may be the better option for you. This quick process will help you determine if you have enough to retire comfortably at age 65 or if waiting until 67 might be more beneficial. Retirement planning is all about making informed decisions to secure the lifestyle you want. So, if you want to learn more, don't hesitate to reach out. You can visit us online at The Annuity Expert or call to schedule a free consultation at 770-755-1565. Again, that's 770-755-1565. Also, if you want more tips on your retirement, like and subscribe. Remember, it's never too early to start planning for your future.